tumekuja kucheza na matope. We've come to relive our childhood memories. Ama aje?
Mad. Different terrains, different challenges, because we are up for the challenge.
Came in last night, so had a restful night. Looking forward to the action ahead today.
We are especially waiting for the munyes, the munyes into the river. Yeah, and as you can tell, the white will be very white by the time we are finished. Kutembea kama kapaka.
Yes, we are called the Team Tough Mothers, and it is Susie's birthday. Woo!
No naming, no injuries, just having a really good time.
We really don't know what to expect, honestly. This is our first time, but when we saw the mud, we wanted to remember our childhood. We are in for everything and looking forward to it.